All right, welcome back to the Easy Peasy Music Theory course for kids. I'm Miss Christine and we have more learning to do, so let's not talk about it. Let's get to it. All right, so we are at lesson number 3. You are slowly moving along. Wonderful job. So today we're going to talk about the music alphabet. Yes, the music alphabet. So let's take a look at this. First of all, what do you see?
The alphabet.
Any ideas? Yeah, of course. You see the alphabet, right? A, B, C, all the way down to Z. And you know your alphabets. We already know that. You learned that in preschool. But how does this have anything to do with music? Well, music has a music alphabet. But instead of going from A to Z, we just deal with A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's it. That's our music alphabet. And it just keeps going around and around. It doesn't matter, okay? So let's just do it together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. There's no H, so we go back to A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now what happens if we wanted to start on C? What happens? What do you think?
D.
Yeah, the next note would be D, E, F, G. Oh, but what happens if we wanted to start on G?
A.
Yeah, we would go to A, B, C, D, E, F, and then back to G. Sometimes in music we go backwards, or we even skip some notes or letters. In this case, we're dealing with the music alphabet, but we never change the letters. We always go from A to G. And that's our music alphabet. All right, so let's have some practice time. Let's have some practice time. So follow along. We have our letter A. We have our letter B. What do you think is going to be next? That's right, letter C. C for cool. And then after letter C, what are we going to have? Letter D. Let's put a letter D here. And after letter D, come on, you got this. What do we have? Letter E. That's our music alphabet. After letter E for excellent, we go to, let's get letter E, nice and easy. Gonna take our time. And then what do we have? F. Good, fantastic. All right, letter F. After letter F, we have what? Next.
G.
Letter G. G for good. Good job you're doing. All right, now it's time for you to practice your music alphabet. I know you can do it. What are the letters in the music alphabet? That's right. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And you can almost rap about it. You got an A, you got a B, you got a C, D, E, F, and G. Good job. All right, let's talk about the homework, all right? The homework. All right, so what is the homework for this lesson? Well, look at this. We have all aboard and we have our little choo-choo trains. They're so cute. And your job is to continue the music alphabet. I'm not going to tell you anything else. Your job is to complete the music alphabet, and so that should be easy as long as you know A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. All right, I'm so excited to see and hear your comments, so have fun and I'll see you in the next lesson. Good work.